Today I'm going to teach you how to CC yourself in Outlook using the rule function. So the first thing you need to do is open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, just give it a moment to load all your emails so everything's ready to go. Now that your emails have loaded, I'm heading over to the inbox pane. This is where you'll find all your incoming messages, but what we're focused on right now is setting up a rule. So I'm looking for the rules dropdown at the top of the interface. Once I find it, I'm clicking on it, and a few additional options appear. From those options, I'm clicking on Manage Rules and Alerts. This is where we can create custom rules that automatically perform actions on our emails. As soon as I click that, a new window pops up called Rules and Alerts. At the top of this window, you'll see a few tabs, and I'm making sure I'm on the Email Rules tab. From here, I'm clicking on New Rule. This opens up the Rule Wizard, which is going to guide us through the process of setting up the rule step by step. The Rule Wizard shows a list of templates to choose from, and what I need to do is scroll down until I find the option that says Apply Rule on Messages I Send. I'm clicking on that to select it because this rule is specifically for emails that I send out, not emails I receive. Once that's selected, I'm clicking Next to move forward. Now, the wizard is asking me to define a condition for the rule. I'm scrolling through the list until I find the option labeled through the specified account. I'm clicking the checkbox next to it to enable this condition. Once I do that, you'll notice that down at the bottom of the window, in step 2, there's some blue highlighted text. That text is clickable, so I'm going ahead and clicking on it. This opens up an account selector window where I need to choose the sender email address. This is the account I'll be using to send my emails from, so I'm selecting that account and then clicking Next. At this point, the wizard moves on to the action screen. This is where I tell Outlook what to do when the rule is triggered. I'm looking through the list of actions until I find the one that says CC the message to people or public group. I'm clicking the checkbox next to that option to enable it. And just like before, there's blue highlighted text in step 2 at the bottom. I'm clicking on that text and another window opens up. This time, I'm selecting the account that I want to be carbon copied on every email I send from the first email address I defined earlier. Once I've selected that account, I'm clicking OK to confirm. Now I'm back in the Rule Wizard and everything is set up the way I need it. The rule is configured to automatically CC myself on every email I send from the specified account. So I'm clicking Finish to apply the rule. Outlook saves the rule, and from this point forward, every time I send an email from that account, I'll automatically be CC'd on it. This way, I'll always have a copy of every message I send without having to manually add myself each time. And that's it. You've now set up a rule in Outlook that automatically CCs yourself on outgoing emails. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.